Have you ever watched a movie in English and thought, I understand the story, but I don't understand the English words? If yes, then today's episode is perfect for you. Because today, I'll show you a simple and powerful method to learn English using movies and TV series. A method that makes learning easy, fun, and natural. No stress, no long grammar lessons. Just real English, the way real people speak it. So stay with me. This might change the way you learn English forever. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the English Sphere podcast studio. In today's episode, we are exploring how movies and TV shows can help you improve your English listening, speaking, and everyday vocabulary, especially if you're an A1 or A2 learner. I will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally. You don't need a notebook right now. Just relax, listen, and enjoy the journey. /Header 1. Why movies help you. Learn English. Strong page. Learning English from textbooks is useful, but movies give you something textbooks cannot. Real conversations. In movies, people talk the way they talk in daily life. They laugh, they shout, they whisper, they joke, and they use expressions that real native speakers use. For example, in a movie when someone says, "Hey, what's going on?" you hear it with real emotion. You hear the speed, the tone, the feeling. When you hear English with emotion, your brain remembers it faster. Movies also give you context, which means you learn a word in a real situation. If a character says, "run," and they are running, your brain connects the word with the action. This is how children learn language, by watching, listening, and connecting. Another big reason movies help is motivation. You feel excited. You enjoy the story. You want to know what happens next. And when you enjoy something, you learn it faster and better. Part 2. A simple method to learn English through movies. Here is a very easy method you can use today. H3. Step 1. Watch with English subtitles. In the beginning, do not use subtitles in your own language. Use English subtitles. This helps your ears and eyes connect English sound with English text. It may feel difficult at first, but trust me, this is the fastest way. H3. Strong. Step 2. Watch short scenes, not full movies. Don't watch a full 2-hour movie in one go. Start with short scenes. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Short scenes keep your focus sharp, and you can repeat them easily. Step 3. Pause and repeat the lines. This step is the real magic. When you hear a line you like, pause and repeat it. For example, "Wait a minute. I'm coming. Are you serious? Let me think." Say it exactly the way the actor says it. Same tone, same speed, same emotion. And it is one of the strongest techniques for improving pronunciation and fluency. Step 4. Write only 3 new words. Just choose 3 words from each scene. 3 words every day equals 21 words every week. Small steps create big results. Hard hashtag Part 3. Easy movies and TV shows for A1, A2 learners. If you are a beginner, don't start with fast or complex movies. Start simple. Here are some great options. Friends. Funny, short episodes and simple everyday English. You'll learn expressions like, "What's up? Come on. No way." Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. The first movie has very clear pronunciation. Characters speak slowly and clearly. The Karate Kid. This movie is perfect for learners. Simple conversations, short sentences, easy to understand. Animated movies like Paddington or Toy Story. Animations use clean, slow, friendly English. Choose one movie and watch small parts every day. Part 4. Mini listening and speaking practice. Now, let's do a small practice. I'll say some movie-style lines, and you repeat after me. Ready? Where are you going? I don't understand. Come with me. I'm not sure about this. That's interesting. Can you help me? Good. Repeat these lines with emotion. Happy, confused, surprised, angry. Movies are full of emotions, and emotion helps memorization. How to stay motivated. Here's a tip many learners don't know. Don't study English. Enjoy English. If you enjoy a movie, you will watch it more. And the more you watch, the faster your English grows. Choose movies you love. Choose characters you like. Choose stories that make you feel something. Happy, sad, excited, curious. Feel the emotion, and the English will stay with you. Thank you for listening to the English Sphere Podcast Studio. I hope today's episode helps you start learning English in a fun and natural way. Movies are not just entertainment. They are a powerful language learning tool. And they are always available. Keep watching, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep learning each day.